gas infrastructure, gas deposits are untouched, dormant. To use gas, just as what sustains Qatar alone is gas. They are the largest producer in the world. The only thing that Qatar Energy does is gas, processing of gas. So, in Nigeria, what we need is to invest in gas infrastructure to evacuate gas. And our study shows that we need an initial investment of $20 billion annually for 10 years to be able to generate the kind of gas infrastructure required to provide gas for the whole of Africa and beyond. Of course, you know, when the war in Ukraine started, the whole Europe virtually collapsed because Russia was the one supplying gas.
I think it is extremely important that I add this. This we're talking about here can constitute security threat to the existence of our polity. And why am I saying this? You can imagine citizens from these states that have been mentioned, Zamfara, Kebbi, Nasarawa, Benue, Bauchi, Gombe, and the rest, that know the volume of exploration of solid mineral resources that happen within these states that I have mentioned, and hearing this is all that government, you know, all that is remitted to government. It's extremely serious, extremely very serious, because what I know obtains in Nasarawa State alone, you're not even talking Niger State. Niger State, gold here, gold there, this, that, plateau, tin, mining, tin, columbite, and what have you, tantalite, all. And this is all that government gets at the end of the day. We must we must take this seriously. It cannot continue.